welcome to a new video. And today I'm at the Burlington Mall. The weather is slowly changing and I would like to have a few things fixed. So today I'm coming to the mall to change my screen saver or my screen guard. And after that, just have a lousy day touring the mall. So I just thought I would share this with you. Let's tour the mall together. It's been a long time since I was last in the mall. So why not? Yeah, join me and we explore the mall together. This mall has a number of open spaces that you can easily access services. So here I am getting to the phone stall where I will have my phone screen saver replaced. There are quite a number of open spaces that you can go and get served. We have those who deal in jewelry, there are those that sell perfumes, there are those that deal in watches. So you can get yourself sorted out in the open spaces compared to going into the shop, and so it's a first place to have your business done. Yeah, I saw it wasn't that costly to have the screensaver changed. There are two types that you can have. There is a clear one that you can clearly see whatever is on your phone or read messages, and there is the privacy one that is private. It's quite dark, so I chose that one, which costed me $25, and for the clear one it goes for $15. So that is what it was for me. So here he's winding up, cleaning my phone, and that is my phone cover there. So yeah, we are done with business and it's time to tour the mall. Come with me and we tour together. So usually the mall is a place you can come and relax, pass time, and there are food courts here that you can go have a meal in case you want to have something to eat. And generally it's quite a big mall that I have never gone through, all round. It's really big and not so busy today. Yeah, so one thing I admire most is the arrangement of the clothes. The stalls are well organized, very clean, neat, fresh, so you easily pick out what you want. The prices are tagged in there. There is no bargaining. What you see there is what you pay, and that is it. So like I told you, it's a big place with various stores. So you can make a choice, either you go to the shoe store, their designer clothes, their phones. So many things are out here. So basically you can take time touring this place the whole day and not have enough of it. There are coffee shops. Yeah. So this is it. There are these massage chairs. You can have time to massage yourself.
What do you want?
Their salons or pedicure, manicure, you can be found here. Their banks, restaurants, yeah.
Bigger.
That's far number
Very
2.
big.
Before the night, shut it, don't need to talk too much. I was thinking one I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your damn. What a street that shit, I kiss it, what these that I can't describe it. She'd always better than me, I know, but how can I feel so hard? I do not use you the street fight. You been jelling on top of the we bad. You do not have to say that. We lie, yeah. I tryna go find time, play without you.
It's at the end. Prima.
So it's about time for me to leave the mall. These are the open stores I was telling you about. So it's time to wind up and go home and rest. So I hope you liked touring the mall with me, and let me know what you enjoyed most. I'll see you later. Bye bye. So the next day it rained heavily the whole day, and I just stayed indoors. So this is what it was like outside. The next day was another day. It was another day to go out shopping. The season is changing and we are getting into the colder season. So I wanted to get a few things that would help keep me warm during the season. So I am headed to Marshall's. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha and the channel name is Agatha's_diaries. I share with you my lifestyle, currently living in the US temporarily, and I would like to share with you what my life is here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for the new subscribers for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate the time you take to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, and keep watching. Thank you so much. So let's tour Marshall's and let's shop together. Remember, like I always say, subscription is totally free. You don't need to pay any money. Just subscribe. Click the notification bell so that each time I load a video, you will be notified. Share the video and comment if there is anything you'd like to tell me or ask me to show you. So let's tour Marshall's and shop together. can look through and see what you can pick out of Marshalls. It has a variety, like I told you, internal decor of different types. Yeah, so I'm going to pay for whatever I've picked up. So yeah, this is what you see here. A little bit of furniture, not that bulky furniture though. So yeah, okay, let's continue watching and I'll see you on the other side. Was done with my shopping and it was such a beautiful day. Look at the skyline, very beautiful. After the previous day's rain, it looked so marvelous. So it was time to get back home and see whatever I had shopped. The good thing about shopping here is that if you don't like what you've taken or it doesn't fit you, you have up to 30 days to take it back. And either you get a refund or you can pick something else. So you don't have to worry in case you don't like something after you take it home. You're free to take it back and they will always refund you. So I hope you liked watching and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and click the notification bell so that the video can be shared to other people. And I'll see you in the next one.
You can put here.
Bye for now.